Hi, this is Shar. In this video, you will see how my citrus trees are doing. So the first one is my lime tree, and I transplanted it earlier this year, and now it has about 3 to 4 limes growing. It was actually hand pollinated. Next is we got the mandarin orange tree, and it's still in its original pot. We didn't transplant it because we didn't want it to lose its leaves and the fruits. We didn't want it to go into shock, so we left it alone for now. And this is our lemon tree. We've got about 4 lemons growing. This was also hand pollinated. So this tree was transplanted last year when I first bought it, so it's on its second year and it's doing so much better. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys, an update on my citrus trees and how they're doing. If you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.